Hello. Welcome to my channel, where we are talking about design, drafting, and construction. In this tutorial, we will create a grid for a steel structure in Revit for a cozy pizza restaurant in the Chicago area. Open the project we created in our previous session when we were making the grid. If you don't have it, no problem. You can download it from my website for free. The link is available below the video. Create levels. Open any elevation view. In our case, we will be using the south view. Go to Architecture tab greater than Datum and click on Level tool. Align your cursor with the left endpoint of the level and left-click on your mouse to start the level line. Now, align the cursor with the right end of the existing level, and left-click again. The new level will be created. Using this method, add as many levels as you need. Changing level properties. To rename the levels you just created, double-click on their name and change it. Answer yes to the question, would you like to rename corresponding views? To change the altitude where the level is located in the space, double-click on the level height underneath the name and change its value to the desired value. Do the same for any other level you create. Adding elbow. To add an elbow to the level line, click on the little wave sign underneath the name and drag the points to the desired position. I will be renaming and adding the additional levels I am going to need in order to build a model of our Italian restaurant. Feel free to do the same if you wish. Extending grid lines. You need to adjust the grid lines to extend below the recently drawn levels. If you don't, the grid won't be visible in the plan view. I will create the few additional levels we need for our building. The last thing to do is adjust the height of the grid for the opposite elevation. For us, it could be east or west. You can adjust the elevation scale to show right away. Changing level line color. If you wish to adjust how the level lines are displayed, double-click on any level line, go to Properties and open Edit Type. Here, I will change the color of the grid to green. From now on, all the grid lines in this project will display in green. All the grids for our building now are located at the correct elevation and with the correct name. Mission completed successfully.